In the short tutorial video, I will show you how to find the future value in two ways. The first one by the formula. So we have equal sign and we have present values in here. And I will press F4 and we have the asterisk that is about multiply, and we have 1 plus or that is about the interest rate or the growth rate per year. And I will press F4 to the power of the year. And that's the first way. Now we go to the second way. I will highlight this one and we go to this one in here. Go to field. Find the series in here. In this one, that is about growth rate. So we select this one in here. And the step value, we put about 1.04. That means they increase about 4%. And this is the technique. This one by formula, this one by field. This is the end. Thank you for watching.